Hi everybody, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and also click the like button while you're there. Today, I want to talk about my journey with Avon. I started Avon in 2013, right after Valentine's Day. I was working full-time as a medical assistant, sort of newlywed, not newlywed per se, but I wanted to do something in addition to working full-time, being a wife. This way I can bring in another income source to my family. I looked into Avon because I already bought Avon products from somebody else. I did my research, I looked around, and I see Avon representatives could make money. Also, I already loved Avon products. I already love the products. I wore the products. I'm wearing my necklace today. I'm wearing my ring today. I'm wearing clothes from Avon, which is one of the things that led me to become an Avon representative, because I love to shop. And who doesn't? This way, my husband doesn't have to worry about paying for my shopping trips. And believe me, he absolutely loves that. Plus, I used to get discounts on my products. I used to save up money, and I still do. I used to save up money to take us on trips with the money I've saved up with Avon as my commissions and my earnings, from my leadership checks, from my sales. We have gone on so many trips, just to name a few. I've been to Orlando with my upline. I have taken my husband to Las Vegas, which you have no idea how excited he was when he saw that we were going to Las Vegas. And the best of all, his wife was paying for it. Following year when we went to Vegas, he's like, where are we going next year? After that, I believe we went to Nashville, Tennessee for another Avon conference. And what we did was we made it a little vacation out of that. Following year, we ended up not going. And then following year, we went to New Orleans. So with that being said, I love to travel. My husband loves to travel. Avon has allowed me to do so with the extra income that I have coming in. It gives me the flexibility to do my business as I go with my life. It doesn't interfere with my life. I enjoy it. I just like to interact with other people. I enjoy talking to people. I enjoy mentoring new representatives. I am here in any way I can to help anybody and everybody and share anything and everything I know about Avon. Being that I worked a full-time job during the day, I basically did Avon and did anything, everything Avon, nights and weekends. It fit perfectly in my schedule. It allowed me to do things that I wanted to do. It was flexible. There is no set time. You do not need to work like a 9 to 5. You can work 9 to 5. Avon can be your full-time. It can turn into a career, and you could really make a lot of money with that. I have earned lots of money with Avon over the years, and I can assure you it's a really good business to get into. If you are interested or have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want to sign up, you can go ahead to AzraBeautyHub.com, click on the Become a Representative icon, and get started. But again, before you even do that, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my website below at AzraBeautyHub.com. Thank you and have a great day.